Hi, so a lot of what I offer is EFT tapping. It's a really excellent way to help you regulate a triggered nervous system. One point, we use acupressure points, is right here, and you can just tap on that for a while. I mean, there's actually no rigid rules to it. You would address what's bothering you. So I'm going to use the example of overwhelm. Even though I feel totally overwhelmed, I love and accept myself. Even though I don't even know where to start, I love and accept myself. Even though my fucking head is going to explode, I love and accept myself. And then you could go on to tap throughout the other points, always coming back to I love and accept myself. Whatever is triggering you is what you're speaking to. Even though this shit is happening, I love and accept myself. You'll be so surprised what it does. So you're tapping on your energy throughout your body, helping it to move and come into a steady flow. And you're talking it out. Even though I'm overwhelmed, I don't know where to start. I love and accept myself. Even though my head is spinning, I love and accept myself. Even though my nerves are frazzled, I love and accept myself. Take a deep breath. Hold the breath in and exhale. Close your eyes, feel your energy. And ask your heart, what is the first thing I want to do? Breathe in, feel whatever the heart wants to say, wherever it wants to start. This is not about what you think should happen. This is what you feel like doing, what you want to do, what you desire. Coming from your body, no shoulds, forget the shoulds. What do you want to do? Start there. Just start. And breathe. And love and accept yourself.